Hey guys, this is Yogesh from Online Marketing. No worries if you just want to skip this page. There is a button below to click that, and you're off to the next page. But if you're like me and if you like it when other people do a lot of hard work for you, because it's a lot less stressful, a lot easier, and you get things done pretty quickly. For those people, I am going to make this offer for you. I'm going to take 5 people. I'm going to help them with this business. I'm going to be on the phone. I'm going to go over everything. I'm going to provide you all the training within an hour, and you'll have this business up and running within a single day. Now, if you want to go on that route, great. There's a button below it. Click that, and I'll see you. If not, no worries. There's a button below that. You click that, skip this offer, and you're taken to the next page, and you'll start building business by yourself. Thank you.